ATI TEAS test. Question 1. After Silver Group 7 reads a passage about sleep and memory during the exam prep review, which sentence states the main idea? Option A. Adequate sleep supports memory and test performance. Option B. Timed tests should be avoided. Option C. Memory depends only on intelligence. Option D. Longer study sessions always beat rest. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because it captures the link between rest, recall, and performance. Timed tests should be avoided is wrong because the passage discusses performance, not avoiding tests, and memory depends only on intelligence is wrong because the passage connects memory with sleep habits. Longer study sessions always beat rest is wrong because the passage does not say more hours always help. Question 2. When Silver Group 7 sees details that the author describes a quiet room, a closed phone drawer, and a timer set for 30 minutes, which inference is most reasonable? Option A. The room is unsafe. Option B. The timer is broken. Option C. The author dislikes all technology. Option D. The setting is designed for focused study. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because quiet, phone-free conditions and a timer all support concentration. The room is unsafe is wrong because nothing indicates danger, and the timer is broken is wrong because the timer is described as set, not broken. The author dislikes all technology is wrong because only the phone distraction is limited. Question 3. During Silver Group 7's exam prep review, a passage warns that skipping directions can cost points and tells students to underline command words. Which author purpose fits best? Option A. To rank science topics by difficulty. Option B. To advise students on careful test reading. Option C. To explain how to build a desk. Option D. To describe a historical event. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the warning and strategy are designed to guide reader behavior. To rank science topics by difficulty is wrong because the focus is reading directions, not science topics, and to explain how to build a desk is wrong because no construction steps are included. To describe a historical event is wrong because no event from history is described. Question 4. While Silver Group 7 outlines a passage that places general study advice first and then gives examples for each subject, which structure is being used? Option A. Spatial order. Option B. General to specific. Option C. Circular reasoning. Option D. Contrast only. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the passage starts broadly and narrows to examples. Spatial order is wrong because no physical location is being described, and circular reasoning is wrong because that is a logic problem, not the organization shown. Contrast only is wrong because the passage is not only showing differences. Question 5. Before Silver Group 7 accepts the claim that graphs can reveal trends faster than paragraphs, which detail gives the strongest support? Option A. Some graphs use green ink. Option B. A line graph showed score growth across 4 weeks at a glance. Option C. Paragraphs use complete sentences. Option D. A chart title can be short. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the graph example shows quick trend recognition. Some graphs use green ink is wrong because color choice is not evidence of faster trend reading, and paragraphs use complete sentences is wrong because that does not show graphs reveal trends faster. A chart title can be short is wrong because title length does not prove the claim. Question 6. Since Silver Group 7 sees the word infer in, students had to infer the author's opinion from clues in the paragraph. Which meaning fits the context? Option A. Copy word for word. Option B. Measure with a ruler. Option C. Figure out from evidence. Option D. Erase a mistake. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because infer means to reach a conclusion using clues rather than a direct statement. Copy word for word is wrong because copying does not involve reasoning from clues, and measure with a ruler is wrong because physical measurement does not fit author opinion. Erase a mistake is wrong because erasing is unrelated to drawing conclusions. Question 7. Given Silver Group 7 answers 13 out of 50 practice items correctly, which percent matches the result? Option A, 74%. Option B, 38.46%. Option C, 26%. Option D, 20.63%. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because 13 divided by 50 equals 0.26, and multiplying by 100 gives 26%. 74% is wrong because it subtracts before converting rather than converting the given fraction, and 38.46% is wrong because it uses the wrong comparison instead of dividing the part by the whole. 20.63% is wrong because it compares the part to the total plus the part or uses an incomplete setup. Question 8. If Silver Group 7's score rises from 60 to 75, what percent increase should be recorded? Option A, 25%. Option B, 20%. Option C, 15%. Option D, 125%. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the increase is 15, and 15 divided by the original score 60 equals 25%. 20% is wrong because it divides by the new value instead of the original value, and 15% is wrong because it reports the raw point gain rather than dividing by the original value. 125% is wrong because it gives the new score as a percent of the old score, not the percent increase. Question 9. Suppose Silver Group 7 solves 4x plus 4 equals 36. Which value of x makes the equation true? Option A, 8. Option B, 32. Option C, 9. Option D, 7. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because subtracting 4 leaves 4x equals 32, and dividing by 4 gives x equals 8. 32 is wrong because it treats the constant or coefficient as if it were the final answer, and 9 is wrong because it is one step away from the value that balances both sides. 7 is wrong because it reverses or skips part of the inverse operation. Question 10. Using Silver Group 7's triangle diagram with a base of 10 cm and a height of 11 cm, which area should be recorded? Option A, 21 square cm. Option B, 42 cm. Option C, 110 square cm. Option D, 55 square cm. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because triangle area is 1/2 times base times height, so 0.5 times 10 times 11 equals 55. 21 square cm is wrong because it adds dimensions rather than using the area formula, and 42 centimeters is wrong because that resembles a perimeter calculation and uses the wrong units. 110 square cm is wrong because it forgets to take half of the base height product. Question 11. From Silver Group 7's measurement note of 750 ml, which conversion to L is accurate? Option A, 0.75 L. Option B, 75 L. Option C, 0.075 L. Option D, 7.5 L. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because 1000 milliliters equal 1 liter, so moving the decimal 3 places gives 0.75 L. 75 L is wrong because the decimal is moved in the wrong scale, and 0.075 L is wrong because the decimal is moved 1 place too far. 7.5 L is wrong because the decimal is moved only 2 places. Question 12. In Silver Group 7's score set 57, 66, 95, 72, 88, which median should be reported? Option A, 75.6. Option B, 57. Option C, 95. Option D, 72. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the scores are ordered as 57, 66, 72, 88, 95, and the middle value rule gives 72. 75.6 is wrong because it uses a mean-like or added value rather than the median method, and 57 is wrong because it is an extreme value or unrelated value rather than the middle after sorting. 95 is wrong because it selects another listed score instead of the central value. Question 13. For Silver Group 7, 4 review packets cost $16. At the same rate, How much do 6 packets cost? Option A, $24. Option B, $24. Option C, $20. Option D, $22. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because $16 divided by 4 gives $4 per packet, and 6 packets cost $24. $24 is wrong because it multiplies the two quantities and ignores the price, and $20 is wrong because it is 1 unit price short of the proportional cost. $22 is wrong because it adds the new quantity to the old cost instead of finding the unit rate. Question 14. Near Silver Group 7's cell energy review, which organelle matches the function being reviewed? Option A, mitochondria. Option B, Golgi apparatus. Option C, ribosomes. Option D, nucleus. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because mitochondria are the main site of ADP production during cellular respiration. Golgi apparatus is wrong because the Golgi modifies and packages molecules, and ribosomes is wrong because ribosomes build proteins rather than making most ADP. Nucleus is wrong because the nucleus stores DNA and controls cell activities. Question 15. Because silver group 7 traces circulation and blood leaves the left ventricle, where does it go next? Option A, aorta toward the body. Option B, pulmonary veins toward the lungs. Option C, vena cava toward the body. Option D, pulmonary artery toward the lungs. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the left ventricle sends oxygenated blood through the aorta to systemic circulation. Pulmonary veins toward the lungs is wrong because pulmonary veins return from the lungs to the heart, and vena cava toward the body is wrong because the vena cava returns blood to the heart. Pulmonary artery toward the lungs is wrong because that path starts from the right ventricle. Question 16. Although silver group 7 sees alveoli drawn as tiny sacs, which feature helps oxygen enter blood quickly? Option A, dry keratin layers. Option B, no contact with capillaries. Option C, hard mineral walls. Option D, moist membranes. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because oxygen and carbon dioxide diffuse more effectively across moist respiratory surfaces. Dry keratin layers is wrong because dry keratin would block efficient diffusion, and no contact with capillaries is wrong because capillary contact is essential for exchange. Hard mineral walls is wrong because hard mineral tissue is not designed for gas exchange. Question 17. Once silver group 7 notices that dehydration increases and thirst becomes stronger, which process explains the response? Option A, genetic drift. Option B, mechanical digestion. Option C, blood clotting cascade only. Option D, homeostatic regulation. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because thirst motivates fluid intake to help restore water balance. Genetic drift is wrong because genetic drift is a population-level allele change, and mechanical digestion is wrong because mechanical digestion breaks food into pieces. Blood clotting cascade only is wrong because clotting is not the water balance response. Question 18. Where silver group 7 studies genetics and a heterozygous tall plant TT crosses with another TT plant, which offspring chance matches the expected result? Option A, 100%. Option B, 75%. Option C, 50%. Option D, 25%. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because TT and TT genotypes show the dominant tall phenotype in 3 of 4 outcomes. 100% is wrong because one outcome is TT and would not be tall, and 50% is wrong because 2 of 4 are heterozygous but phenotype is not limited to carriers. 25% is wrong because 1 of 4 is the recessive short phenotype. Question 19. As silver group 7 reviews chemistry and pH changes from 5 to 3, which conclusion follows? Option A. It becomes 100 times more basic. Option B. It becomes 100 times more acidic. Option C. It becomes 2 times more acidic. Option D. It does not change acidity. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because each pH unit represents a tenfold change, so 2 units mean 10 times 10. It becomes 100 times more basic is wrong because a lower pH means more acidic, not more basic, and it becomes 2 times more acidic is wrong because pH is logarithmic, not a simple subtraction scale. It does not change acidity is wrong because a 2-unit pH shift is meaningful. Question 20. Under Silver Group 7's experiment testing whether light color affects algae growth, which setup is the control group? Option A, algae placed in a warmer room only. Option B, algae that are never measured. Option C, algae with different water and different light. Option D, algae kept under white light while all other conditions match. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because a baseline light condition with matching variables allows fair comparison. Algae placed in a warmer room only is wrong because temperature becomes the tested factor instead of light color, and algae that are never measured is wrong because growth must be measured to compare results. Algae with different water and different light is wrong because changing water and light prevents isolating the cause. Question 21. Between Silver Group 7's grammar options, which sentence uses subject-verb agreement correctly? Option A. Each of the practice questions were an explanation. Option B. Each of the practice question has an explanations. Option C. Each of the practice questions has an explanation. Option D. Each of the practice questions have an explanation. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because each is singular and takes has. Each of the practice questions were an explanation, is wrong because were does not fit the singular subject or meaning, and each of the practice question has an explanations, is wrong because question and explanations have number errors. Each of the practice questions have an explanation, is wrong because have incorrectly agrees with questions instead of each. Question 22. Inside Silver Group 7's sentence a nurse reviewed the notes before starting blank shift, which pronoun should replace the blank? Option A, its. Option B, theirselves. Option C, hers. Option D, her. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because nurse is singular in this sentence and her gives a clear singular possessive pronoun. Its is wrong because its is not used for a person, and theirselves is wrong because theirselves is non-standard. Hers is wrong because hers cannot directly modify shift. Question 23. Through Silver Group 7's punctuation review, which sentence uses a semicolon correctly? Option A, Maya studied science, Jordan reviewed math. Option B, Maya studied science, Jordan reviewed math. Option C, Maya studied, because science was hard. Option D, Maya studied science, Jordan reviewed math. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because both sides of the semicolon are complete related sentences. Maya studied science, Jordan reviewed math is wrong because the mark separates the subject from the verb, and Maya studied, because science was hard, is wrong because the second part is not an independent clause. Maya studied science, Jordan reviewed math is wrong because the first part is a run-on before the semicolon. Question 24. According to Silver Group 7's grammar check, which revision fixes the run-on sentence? Option A, reviewing grammar before the quiz so familiar. Option B, she reviewed grammar before the quiz, the rules felt familiar. Option C, she reviewed grammar before the quiz, the rules felt familiar. Option D, she reviewed grammar before the quiz, so the rules felt familiar. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because so with a comma correctly shows a cause-effect relationship between clauses. Reviewing grammar before the quiz so familiar is wrong because the wording is a fragment, and she reviewed grammar before the quiz, the rules felt familiar, is wrong because a comma alone is not enough. She reviewed grammar before the quiz, the rules felt familiar, is wrong because the independent clauses are fused. Question 25. Beyond Silver Group 7's vocabulary drill, which meaning does the prefix Brady - add? Option A, fast. Option B, slow. Option C, above. Option D, inside. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because Brady means slow, as in bradycardia meaning a slow heart rate. Fast is wrong because fast is touchy dash, and above is wrong because above can be supra or hyper depending context. Inside is wrong because inside is endo dash.